Harry, she's using Domestos multi-surface cleaner!
So what if she is?
So what? This Domestos multi-surface cleaner has superb cleaning power!
Now, I've heard that before.
Yeah, but this is different. This is the only cleaner that'll leave her kitchen germ-free. Like I said, we're history!
Germ-free? She won't use it down here on the floor.
Domestos multi-surface cleaner leaves your home not just clean, but hygienically clean.
Us germs aren't safe anywhere now.
Every time you go to a restaurant, dirty bathroom. Every time you go to a train station, dirty bathroom. Every time you go to a friend's house, dirty bathroom. Every time you go to your kid's school, dirty bathroom. Australia wants a party that has a real plan. A plan for our bathrooms.
Mari. Wanginya aku kenal nih.
Wangi Domestos People. Sekali cium Anda yakin bersih, aman dari kuman.
Silahkan. Rumahnya nyaman ya, Bu?
Domestos People.
I'm gonna make some people vom, people vom, people vom. Spill their guts and cry to mom. Ain't that pretty? I'm gonna give them diarrhea, diarrhea. 5 times longer.
5 times longer? Maybe later. 5 times later.
New Domestos 5X. Sticks around 5 times longer. Millions more germs will die.
I'm here today not as your Prime Minister, but as a fellow germ. A powerful new threat is upon germkind. They call it New Domestos Extended Power. The first ever Domestos formula to not only kill all known germs, but also prevent the build-up of limescale for up to 3 times longer. This may be our end. It's Germageddon! New Domestos Extended Power prevents limescale up to 3 times longer.